Good afternoon, music lovers, and welcome to the Sound Shop, the show that's your one-stop shop for all things music. I'm your host, Violet Ray, and today I'm joined by musicians Stephen Matthew and Kyle Howe. They're here today to tell us about their phenomenal rise in the music industry, as well as their future plans and projects. Welcome to the show, fellas. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Stephen Matthew, you seem to have blown up overnight, but you've actually been paying your dues for quite some time. How long have you been playing guitar, and what got you started into music in the first place?
I started playing guitar when I was 14 years old. I got my first guitar as a graduation present, and ever since then I've been rocking out.
All right. Kyle Howe, where does your inspiration for playing music come from?
My inspiration is just comes from my personal experience, experiences other people have gone through, just life in general, and pretty much that's my inspiration.
That's awesome. Okay, well, I'm sure the viewers want to know, what future plans and projects do you guys have, if any?
One day I'd like to open up my own studio. I call it Stevie B Productions. I'd also like to be in a full band that I could tour with across the country or even across the world.
All right. What about you, Kyle?
Right now I'm just working on getting my solo CD finished and getting it out for everyone to hear.
Okay, well, I'm looking forward to that. Okay, well, we're going to take a quick commercial break, but we'll be right back in a few minutes with a special treat for you here on the Sound Shop.
If we don't act now, my island nation will be submerged by the rising sea.
If we don't act now, the Arctic ecosystem will be lost forever.
If we don't act now, our forests will turn into deserts.
Hotter temperatures and drought will threaten our farmlands.
Our emissions will continue to pollute the air.
If we don't act now, warmer oceans will cause more severe storms like Hurricane Katrina.
If we don't act now,
This is climate change.
This is climate change.
This is
Climate change.
climate change.
There is something you can do about it.
help seal the deal.
You can help us seal the deal at the UN Climate Conference in Copenhagen.
Sign the climate petition online and make your voice heard.
Help us seal the deal.
Global warming is a problem.
It's a problem.
I wanted to do something to become more energy efficient.
To protect the environment.
To protect the future.
So I turned to Energy Star for help.
Energy Star is helping me be part of the solution.
Everyone can join the fight against global warming. Go to EnergyStar.gov to learn what you can do.
Together,
we can all make a difference.
Can I see you tonight?
Well, wait.
More than 1 in 7 women are date raped a year. Date rape is still rape. Please protect yourselves, and if you have been a victim or know someone who has, please call 1-800-888-RAPE. This call is confidential.
Welcome back to the Sound Shop. We have a special surprise this evening, folks. Kyle Howe is going to perform his single, Hello, followed by Stephen Matthew treating us to a guitar solo. So take it away, fellas.
I'm never in the city where I swear she looks so pretty, with her hair tied back behind her ears. Those blue eyes so true, I didn't know what to do, so I stood there right in front of you, singing, hello, how are you? I think I'm doing fine, but I think I'd be a bit better if you were mine, if you were mine. old city day when I stopped and said, hey, how you doing and how have you been? With those blue eyes so true, I didn't know what to do, so I stopped there right in front of you, singing, hello, how are you? I think I'm doing fine, but I think I'd be a bit better if you were mine. Singing, hello, how are you? I think I'm doing fine, but I think I'd be a bit better if you were mine. If you were mine. If you were mine.
Well, that's all the time we have, folks. I would like to give a special shout out and thanks to our two great guests. And thanks to all of you out there watching. Join us here next week at the Sound Shop. Good night, everyone.
Thank you.